Hi, I'm Ben with Environment Masters. Today we're going to show you the different filter options you have and what is best for you and your family. We all know using filters is important because they clean the air your family breathes. The filters reduce contaminants, allergens, bacteria, virus, dust, and debris. Filters not only help with indoor air quality, they help your AC run more efficiently by not passing those things through the equipment. The harder your AC has to work, the more it costs to run. Let's see what effect those filters have on the airflow for your home. The ping pong ball is going to show the air pressure. As you can see, it just whoop right up. Really good airflow. We don't have a filter in place. This is a very common filter you'd get at the grocery store, at Walmart. This is a 3M standard 1-inch filter. You can tell when I put it in, airflow dramatically decreases. I mean, ball bounces right off the bottom. It's quite restricted in the way that it operates. This is actually the filter that we use when we do maintenance. This is a MERV 8 1-inch filter. We actually locally source these, and it's a really good filter in a sense for a 1-inch. It doesn't have too bad of a decrease in airflow. As you can see, our ping pong ball stays relatively floating. It is getting pulled down some. You see I've got some really big, thick 5-inch filters here. This is a Filtrete. This is a common brand you can buy online. It's got more surface area. It's supposed to help increase your airflow, but you can see as I put it in, it still brings my ping pong ball down pretty low, drops it and decreases my airflow. This is actually the brand we use for a MERV 11. This is our Healthy Climate cabinet. It is fantastic. Does a really good job at keeping your airflow levels high. As you can see, my ping pong ball hardly moved at all. Airflow is still keeping it up at the top. It's even bouncing off the top. This is a fantastic filter. If anyone in your house has allergies or any specific reasons, this is a really good add. They do have really high grade level filters, MERV 16, that actually have carbon inlay. This is a Best Air brand. I think you commonly see this on Amazon. It is also 5-inch thick, also high rated, but as you can see, when I drop this in, it has a pretty heavy restriction on airflow. We love this brand. It's also a charcoal inlaid. This is your CDC guideline, hospital grade air, but it also does a really good job at not decreasing airflow. You can see it's charcoal inlaid, it's nice and dark. It's gonna do a really good job at taking VOCs out of the air. As you can see, it hardly decreases my airflow at all. I've still got great air pressure with a ton of surface area, and this filter will last you, probably a whole year, close to a year, if not more. And you're breathing really high quality clean air, and you're not decreasing airflow and shortening the life of your system and decreasing its efficiency. Y'all are probably wondering right now, looking at this 1-inch, that's probably what you're familiar with, versus the 5-inch filter. You're probably looking at this saying, how in the world am I gonna put this in my filter grill? And you're not. This obviously is gonna be installed a little bit different. If you want to increase the level of filtration, you want to increase your airflow, you'll actually have to have a filter cabinet installed. Traditionally, they're installed at the air handler or at the furnace, so the point of place or the point of filtration that's taking place is at the unit. It's very effective. The dimensions actually fit the air handler or furnace, so it just helps increase airflow, and of course it makes the point of filtration at the unit, keeping your unit as clean as possible. So guys, obviously all these filters are going to work. All of them are going to protect your system, keep large contaminants out of them. But if you really want to focus on your airflow, increasing the efficiency of your system, and minimizing costs to run your system, an upgrade is definitely a good idea. It will also help keep your family safe, and it will give you some peace of mind that your system's getting well taken care of.